So before anything else, I'm gonna go in with the Biossance Squalane Omega Repair Cream. As you can see, I'm very red right now and my skin is just super sensitive. So I'm just going to use this all over my face. So next for complexion, I'm using our Nudestix Tinted Cover Foundation in the shade Nude 2.5. I'm obsessed with our latest foundation because it's a skincare and complexion hybrid. So essentially, it's going to help treat, protect, and moisturize your skin, but simultaneously covering dark spots, redness, any problem areas on the skin. Sheer to buildable coverage, it's super lightweight on the skin. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning that it's never going to clog your pores and never break you out. It has 18 natural botanical extracts like green tea, coffee seed extract, camellia leaf, eucalyptus, and tea tree. So it's antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-aging, as well as anti-inflammatory. So really perfect for all skin types, and it's good for your skin as well. What I like to do is take my blend and buff brush, collect the product on the brush, and then just dab it all over my face. I don't love using a beauty blender with our tinted cover, mostly because it is sheer coverage, so beauty blenders tend to absorb a lot of product, so you don't necessarily want to absorb a lot of coverage with this because, again, it is sheer to medium. If you do want to build the coverage, you can go in with a few more pumps using the smaller tapered brush and dab it in those areas where you do want to build the coverage. Next, I'm using our Tinted Blur Stick in the shade Light 3, and I love this product to use on top of tinted cover because it is a blurring primer. It's going to blur any imperfections in the skin, from texture, pores to fine lines, so kind of acting like an Instagram filter for the skin. So essentially it's like a perfecting stick, and also acts as a blotting stick, so if you do have oily T-zones or super oily skin, this is going to help mattify those areas that you need to just set for the day. It's also going to add more coverage. Next, I'm using our eyebrow stylus in gel, and I love this product because it's dual-ended. So on one side you have a triangular pencil tip, which is going to allow you to finely line and feather your brow. And I'm using the shade Dirty Blonde. It's going to set your brow in place all day. And don't mind my super unruly brows at the moment. Next, I'm using the waterproof setting gel on the other side. This is going to set my brows in place all day. So next I'm going in with our Nudies bronze in the shade Sunkissed, which is a beautiful warm coral bronze shade. Our Nudies are your eyes, cheeks, and lip color, and they're super easy to use, perfect for a monochromatic makeup look, and are the perfect cream to powder formula that are super easy to apply and then set on the skin all day. I'm using my blend and buff brush to buff that into the skin. So just gonna warm up my complexion, give me a little bit of a sculpted look. I also love to take a little bit of my bronzer and just pat it right on the bridge of my nose. Also, to build the color, I like to take a little bit with my brush and just kind of dab it along the hollow of my cheek to sculpt my cheeks a little bit more. Next, I'm going to get into our Nudestix Rose Gold Kit, which is a beautiful assortment of some limited edition and core luminous and matte eye colors to create the perfect rose gold smoky eye look. And this kit is perfect for holiday as well. They just look so beautiful on the eyes and really make them pop. So this kit features 6 shades. Shades come in this beautiful limited edition rose gold tin. And inside there's a mirror. And then you also have a sharpener that comes with all of the pencils. So I'm going to show you how to create the perfect rose gold eye look using all of these shades. I'm going to start with our magnetic matte eye color in the shade Maroon, which is a really pretty reddish brown matte tone. And I'm just going to use it along my upper lash line and use my fingers to blend it out. To take a little bit into my lower lash line as well. The next shade I'm going to use from the kit is Rustic Grotto, which is a beautiful luminous coppery brown. And I'm kind of going to use it right on top of Maroon, just to add a little bit more luminosity and dimension. Next, I'm going to use the shade PRAIA, which is a beautiful luminous like champagne gold. And I just like to apply this from the crease down the center of my lash line. It almost gives off a wet finish. I also like to take PRAIA and place it in the other corners. There's so many beautiful shades in this kit. I'm really trying to use them all, but I'm really liking the way this is looking. I think the last thing I'm gonna add is our Luminous tone in Pink Seychelles, which is a beautiful like mauvey pink. I haven't really planned out exactly where I'm gonna put this, but I'm thinking like kind of like in the crease and bringing it down to my upper lash line, kind of sculpt the eye a little bit. And I find that this color makes a lot of eye colors pop because it has that almost pewtery tone to it, especially if you have green or blue eyes. I'm going to bring this even more so to the inner corner of the eye for more of like that 60s crease look. I really love the way all the colors are going together. I mean, they're all beautiful neutrals, so naturally they look good together. You could even take Rustic Grotto and place it in the waterline as well. This is my final eye look using the Rose Gold Kit. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara. This is our Nudestix Lash Lengthening Mascara. I personally like to focus my mascara on the outer corner of my eye for more of an almond shape. Mascara makes such a difference. It's crazy. To complete this look, I'm going in with our Nudies Bloom shade in Cherry Blossom Babe, which is a beautiful dewy pink blush, which I think will go really well with the eye look. And next I'm taking a little bit of our Nudies Glow in the shade Illumi-naughty. I'm just going to place this right on the high points of my face. And I picked this shade specifically because it has a little bit of a lavender undertone, so I thought it would go really well with the eye look and all the rose gold tones. To finish off the look, I'm using our Nude Plumping Lip Glace in the shade Nude 04, which is my perfect nude. And this product is a beautiful treatment as well as a gloss, so it's going to hydrate your lips, treat them. It has beautiful butters like avocado, shea, miru, and coconut, and it also has peptides that will regenerate the natural collagen in your lip. So to finish off my holiday look, I'm gonna go in with the OUAI Hair Care Hair and Body Shine Mist. This is my final holiday look featuring our all-new Rose Gold Kit. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And if you want to see any other videos and any other type of content, comment below. Bye!